નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th, સબ્જેક્ટ સાયન્સ, chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. So dear students, in the last video we have discussed about saturated carbon compounds, their structure and electron dot structure. And today we will see unsaturated carbon compounds, their electron dot structure as well as carbon compounds we will discuss. See, what about the unsaturated carbon compounds? See the definition. Compounds of carbon having double or triple bonds between the carbon atoms are known as unsaturated carbon compounds. And they are more reactive than the saturated compounds. Okay, now we'll see the example of ethene, ETHENE, their structural formula. See, ethene, their structural formula you see about here. See the ETHENE. You know that this the molecular formula is ethene, meth, F. So here ENE comes. So ethene will be C2H4. See how we have to make the formula also I told you in the last video. Okay, now we will see about the structure. So this is the double bond. So C, double bond C. Okay, now you place that C here. This C has two hands here, and we will make one hand, and here one hand. So here and here also. Now see C2H4. So in this way, you can show the structure of the ethene. Now how you have to show the electron dot structure? So this is only the structure of ethene. Okay. Now we discuss electron dot structure. See, electron dot structure also you know that double bond. So that's why we make like this double bond. So P2 here and here also C2 here. Okay. Then you can place another two atoms here and here and here and here. So like this way you can make according to our convenience. So because here double bonds, so place it 2 here. Now place the H. Okay, H is here and here H and here H and here H. Place the atoms. Okay, here bond. Okay, look now. Okay, in this way. Now make a pair 1. Okay, sharing 1 and here sharing and here sharing. Now, what about the carbon atoms? See, carbon atoms also like this. See, from here. See, look here like this. And this carbon also in the similar fashion. See, like this and like this. See here, carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So like this way, this is the structure of carbon atom and this one is electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of ethene. So electron dot structure of ethene. Okay, this way, dear students, you have to learn both structure as well as electron dot structure. Now, we'll see about the another one more name, ethyl. So we'll see about the ethyl. Ethyl formula what? What is the ethyl formula, molecular formula? So ethyl, ETHYL. So C2H2. Okay. Now here also we'll see the broader structure as well as. So in this shows that carbon triple bond in there. See, ethyl shows triple bond. So between the carbon atoms. Okay, here see three hands. Say automatically will come to know that three hands here. And here one hand, so H, and here one hand, H. So C2 and H how much? H2. C2, H2. So in this way, you can show the dot structure of ethyl. Okay, this is the electron dot structure. Sorry, this is the structure of ethyl. Okay. Now we will see about electron dot structures. So electron dot structure what? See, look here now. So like this way, two carbon atoms and triple bond. So like this way we can show, and one is here and one is here. Okay, so like this. And now place hydrogen here. So you can place here hydrogen and here hydrogen. Say, look here now. Now give the hydrogen here X and here X. Make here. Okay, now what about the carbon atoms? Say, look now. Carbon atoms, say, start from here and here. So like this. So this is about electron dot structure. Say 3, 3, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Say 3, 6 and 7 and 8. Here also 7 and 8. So H is 2. Okay. So like this way, this is about the electron dot structure of the ethyl. Okay, dear students. So in the similar fashion, draw the structure of propyne and as well as draw the structure of butyl. Okay, this is all you have to learn. Okay, so we will see just about the discussion of propyne, which one? And propyne and as well as butane. So you know that propyne C3H4 and butane will be C4H6. So like this way you have learned. Draw the structure of electron, the structure of methane, ethane, ethene and ethane. So like this you have to learn, and this is the homework for you. And as well as also learn the structure of methane to pentane. Methane to pentane. Draw the structure. So learn the structure. Okay. Now we will see about the chains, branches and rings. So you know that chains, branches and rings. This will learn. Chains means carbons. You know, between the carbon atoms. So like this. So like this way, chains. And branches. Branches also like this. See, look here now. So here and here. Okay. So like this way, branches. And then ring wise. See, look here now. Okay, ring. You can make a ring like this. So like this way, ring-like structures. So yeah, this is the chains and branches and rings. So in this way, this we are learning now. Now you know that here, so here we will see that some of the examples about, so I told you here in the chains branches, some of the formulas of methane, ethane, propane, butane. So this structure, and as well as pentane and hexane, this structure you have to learn. Draw the structure of this all. Now we will say about the butane. See, butane, you know that butane formula is C4H10. What that is? C4H10. This is the structure. We will see that. So you know that C. So in this way, C4. Okay. And another one is in this way also correct. As about like this. Okay, both are correct only. Both the structures are correct. Okay, so here one statement is that, see, look here now. See, such compounds, we see that, see, for example, I will show you here C4H10 is the molecular formula of this. Well, this C, okay, like this, and place it here H1. Okay, in the similar fashion is here. Now what H8. So here 9 and here 10. So this is the structure of the butane. And another structure you say look here, this one and this one. Okay, here you know that 3 carbon, here hydrogen, basic 3. Okay, then make like this here and here like this. Okay, then so like this, and then see, look here now, and here place the H. Then what about the C here, one H, and C here H. Okay, and place it here 2H and here H, and in the similar way, see now this is the structure of butane. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, C4H10. So complete these two structures, you study this. See, such compounds with identical molecular formula is same, but different structures. See, both the structures are different. See, such are called as isomers. What are you saying? These are called as isomers. Okay, isomers we are saying. And this nomin, we are saying that isomerism. See, isomerism is a phenomenon or process due to which some compounds have same molecular formula but different structural formula. So that is called as isomerism. Okay, for example, asking the butane has how many structures will be there? 2 structures. Okay, so this is the structure of which one? The butane. Now, only just 1 or 2 will discuss. So about the another compound. Say another one. In addition to this, some compounds having carbon atoms arranged to form a ring. So such is cyclohexane. Okay, cyclohexane will say this is the here cyclohexane will be the structure of cyclohexane, and as well as benzene, both will study that. CF6, see 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here also 2 is here as well as 2 is here. Say like this. And 2, 2, 4 and 5 like this. So this is the 6. So in the similar fashion you can show the ring-like structures are like this. Okay, this is about, you learn about the cyclohexane, and here, for example, cyclohexane, the formula is C6H12, and also learn that benzene also C6 and H6. See, this both you have to learn the structure of benzene as well as which one? Benzene and C6H12. Okay. So both this cyclohexane, this both you have to learn the structure. So all the other information we have learned that the carbon compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen are called as hydrocarbons, and saturated carbons are called as alkanes. The unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain one or more double bonds are called as alkenes, and the carbon atoms containing one or more triple bonds are called alkynes. So these are all we have discussed in the last video. Okay, students. So go to the structure you have to learn and also electron dot structure. Okay, so this is the main things, and then we will discuss in the next video the remaining aspects. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for joining us.